From Neural Newscast, this is Model Behavior, AI-focused news and analysis on the models shaping our world.
I'm Nina Park. Welcome to Model Behavior. This episode examines AI systems in professional environments. Today is June 12th, 2026. Earlier this week, on June 9th, Anthropic released Claude Fable 5, a model they are characterizing as Mythos-class. While it has immediately claimed the top spot on major leaderboards, the industry is reacting more to its speed, or the lack thereof, than its raw intelligence.
I'm Thatcher Collins. It is a significant moment for the industry, Nina, but also a polarizing one. Claude Fable 5 is currently ranked number 1 on artificial analysis and the LM Arena text and agent arenas. However, it also ranks 139th out of 152 models for price and 64th for output speed. We are seeing a model that is effectively a beast, powerful but undeniably slow and expensive to operate at scale.
The performance metrics are striking, Thatcher. Fable 5 delivers about 60 tokens per second, but the time to first token is 108 seconds. For context, the field median is currently under 3 seconds. Anthropic seems to be betting that users will trade time for capability. This model was originally a project called Claude Mythos, which was reportedly so powerful in its cybersecurity capabilities that it required a dense safety architecture before a public release.
That safety layer is why we see this fallback mechanism. If Fable 5 filters a request, it automatically routes the task to Claude Opus 4.8. But the broader story, Nina, is that the bottleneck has moved. For years, we asked if a model was smart enough to do the work. Now that models can hold hours-long agentic sessions, the question is how long we have to wait for the result.
We are already seeing what that capability looks like in practice. Within 24 hours of launch, the payment platform Stripe used Fable 5 to migrate a Ruby codebase consisting of 50 million lines of code. Normally, that is a 2-month project for a human engineering team. Fable 5 finished it in a single day. It is the definition of long-horizon autonomy, where the AI is essentially a digital laborer you can set and forget.
It is not just enterprise migrations, Nina. We are seeing vibe coding reach a new level. Developers have used Fable 5 to clone Minecraft in 20 minutes and recreate a full version of Pokemon Gen 1 in an hour. Even more impressive is its visual navigation. It played through Pokemon Fire Red using only screenshots for input. It is not just reading text, it is understanding and navigating complex visual interfaces autonomously.
This shift toward high autonomy agents is driving a massive reallocation of capital toward hardware. If the model is smart enough but too slow, the only way to win is through silicon. Nvidia recently paid a reported $20 billion to license Groq's low-latency inference technology. Meanwhile, OpenAI signed a $10 billion deal for Cerebras wafer-scale systems. The goal for both is the same: providing dedicated low-latency inference for these agents.
The talent market is following that money, Nina. Anthropic recently poached one of the original chip engineers from OpenAI. The job description was not just about architecture. It was described as perplexity per picojoule. When AI starts building AI, which Anthropic says Claude is now doing for 80% of their internal code, the lab that iterates 20 times faster because of better inference will eventually pull ahead in intelligence too.
That is the recursive loop. Beyond Fable 5, Anthropic also updated the Claude 4 family. We have Opus 4.8 for complex reasoning, Sonnet 4.6 balancing speed and intelligence, and Haiku 4.5 for high-volume tasks. They're also implementing fast modes and priority pricing. It is a reversal of traditional software tiers. You're not paying for more features, you're paying a premium for the same model to respond sooner.
It suggests that speed may be the first real moat in AI, Nina. Benchmarks can be distilled or replicated elsewhere in months, but tokens per second are manufactured. If you hold the speed moat, you remint your intelligence lead every time your agents finish a research cycle faster than the competition. As we move into the second half of 2026, tokens per second is becoming the only headline number that matters for market dominance.
Thank you for listening to Model Behavior. a Neural Newscast editorial segment. Visit mb.neuralnewscast.com. Neural Newscast is AI-assisted, human-reviewed. View our AI transparency policy at neuralnewscast.com.
This has been Model Behavior on Neural Newscast, examining the systems behind the story.